come along with us on our trip to Tram and Hokuk in Vung Tau. We're super excited for this one because it's our fur baby Chuyin's very first long ride. We woke up at 4 a.m. today. Yeah, really early just to get everything ready. We had breakfast, fed Chuyin, let him go potty, and took him out for a short walk. Hello. Someone wants to play. To be honest, we're a little nervous about how he'll behave during such a long trip since it's his first time. So we wanted to make sure all his needs were taken care of before our ride arrives. Inside na, Cho. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, good boy, anak. And finally, our ride has arrived. We actually booked this through Zalo, but I first found their information on Facebook. I did check a few other options, but their price was pretty reasonable, and what I really like is that there were no other fees. If you are in Saigon and want to travel around Vietnam with your fur baby, this pet-friendly car service is a great option. Your pet is welcome and comfortable throughout the trip, making the journey much easier for both of you. You can also meet the owner at their coffee shop to book and pay the deposit in person, which helps you avoid scams. We'll be staying in Tram and planning to rent a bike to ride over to Hokuk Beach. It's usually about 3 hours from Saigon to Tram, but since it's a holiday and traffic can get pretty heavy. Finally, we've made it to Tram. It's almost 12:30 p.m. now. We left Saigon around 6:30 in the morning and only made a quick stop for lunch along the way. It was a bit of a long ride, but we're excited to finally be here.
Miming, ay padulas Miming ka.
Lagi, lagi.
Yeah.
Asa dapit?
Sorry to. No.
We actually booked this homestay through another one I originally contacted, where we'll be staying for 2 nights. Since they were fully booked for today, they helped us find this nearby place just for 1 night, and we'll transfer over tomorrow. Honestly, it's been pretty tough booking during the holidays. Most places were either full or not pet-friendly, so this really felt like our last shot.
You want fish?
Yeah, you like this? You like this?
Hi! Do you like it here? When we stopped earlier for a quick toilet break, the driver actually bought this for us. It kind of reminds me of the ubik candy I used to love back in the Philippines, but this one's milk flavored instead. We're just chilling for a bit while waiting for our motorbike to be delivered. That's a bag.
Yeah.
Oh, I did it.
Na, wala lang tayo isa ka.
Ang bag eh.
No. We rented this motorbike from the homestay we're transferring to tomorrow. It's about 100,000 dong, not including gas, which is actually pretty decent considering it's a holiday. Right now we're heading to Hamptons Pier. It's just around an 8-minute ride from here. Hamptons Pier in Tram is a seaside wooden pier located in the Hamptons Plaza area of Tram, Vietnam. It's basically a long walkway that stretches out over the water, giving you open views of the ocean and the coastline.
Good luck.
We noticed there are a lot of really nice buildings around here, but most of them actually aren't occupied yet. There are a few cafes open though, and there's a water fountain, and that I think kids would really enjoy. Plus a play area where they can run around and have fun.
Oh, dili pang chuyin. Mga staff. Kasi mingaw po ni diri regular. Kung nalabyan.
This place is actually really nice for families who just want a short stop and to chill a bit. There's no entrance fee, you just have to pay for the parking and that's it. You can also swim here since there's a big public beach right in front, and if you're up for it, there are some fun activities too, like banana boat rides and even horseback riding along the shore.
You want to run? Come here, come.
Key of ATV.
Taas daw.
This pier, guys, is part of a relatively new coastal development called the Hamptons Plaza Tram, which is linked to the larger tourism and resort growth happening in Tram. Getting pretty hungry now, so we decided to check out the Hamptons seafood menu. It's not just seafood though, they've got a mix of other dishes too, which is nice. In fact, we just decided to have dinner here instead of going somewhere else. We just finished our dinner and we're heading back to the parking lot now. Asking me when's the best time to come here? I'd say around 3 p.m. like when we arrived. It gives you enough time to walk around and explore before it gets dark. Or you could also come here early in the morning because I think sunrise here would be really nice too. But I wouldn't really recommend coming at noon since it gets really hot, and at night you won't really see much of the view. Aglish ni Chuyin ga nasa kilid. Na diri sa pakbag. Yay! Thank you.
Yeah, sorry.
Thank
Not
you
good,
so
not
much.
good today. Maybe yesterday. Was good.
No, it's okay. Thank you
Yeah,
so
yeah,
much.
yeah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take care.
Bye bye.
Friday,
Yeah,
yeah.
thank you. Are you going to the beach as well?
Yeah.
You're gonna go to the beach?
Cannot. I'm gonna stay here.
Okay.
Okay. Sorry so much. I would like to try with you, but because of my crowded, I
No.
want to serve it up.
No, that's
Yeah.
okay. That's
Okay,
okay. We understand. Bye.
Today you go to where?
Beach.
Beach
And then we're gonna come back and then we're gonna go to other stay.
Oh.
Okay,
Yeah,
bye.
okay. Give me before 12 o'clock.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah, sure,
okay, thank
sure,
you so
bye. If you're a coffee lover, you'd probably really like staying here because the owner is honestly so sweet and generous. When we got here yesterday, she already told us coffee and watermelon juice are free. You just have to ask if you want some. And the matcha latte thing was actually really nice. Yesterday when we arrived, I asked if they have matcha because I wanted to order one. Unfortunately, they do not have, so I just ordered the watermelon juice. I didn't know that she would buy from other cafe for me. She messaged me in the afternoon, but I only saw her message later that night, so I just told her I just have it the next morning instead. It's just those small gestures that make the place feel really welcoming. See you guys in our part 2 of our Vintao travel vlog. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.